Now students, today I will start this session with this question, and in this question you will see there is explanation is given such as Johnson and Johnson Training Institute is planning to set up its center in Amritsar with 4 specialized blocks for medicine management, law course along an admission block in separate buildings. The physical distance between these blocks and the number of computers to be installed in these blocks are given below. So, as an explanation is given in the question, you will have similar type of explanation in this type of questions, and you will have to do nothing with this explanation. Just go through it simply. The important part of the question is the table that is given here, that the distance between the various location in meters, and the second table that is given, the number of computers installed at various location are as follows. These are the 2 important tables. With the help of those you are able to solve the questions below. So now have a look on the question. The first question that is asked, that suggests the more suitable location to install the main server of this institute to get efficiently connectivity. So in order to solve this question, just see the table in which the total number of computers installed in various locations are given. So the block having the highest number of computers, for example, you can say in the admin block there is 150 computer is installed. So the admin block is the more suitable place to install the main server. So the idea behind this answer is that then when we are installing the server, we will have to see the traffic of the data from one system to another system, and the law works is the 80-20 law, means the 80% data may be transferred within a network and the 20% data can incoming or outgoing from the network. So when there are maximum number of computers are there in the admin block, so the maximum number of traffic is also in the admin block. So just in order to solve the question, you will have to remember only one thing, that the system where there is maximum number of computer installed, you will make the admin block or the server block only. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. Now the second question, suggest the device to be installed in each of these buildings for connecting computer installed within the building out of the following. So this is the second question in which you will have to suggest that which device is to be installed in each of the buildings. So it is depend upon the total number of the computer in the building. So you can see that we are using switch, router, gateway, modem. To solve such type of question, you will have an idea about all these type of devices. For example, if we are talking about gateway, we are using gateway when we are using 2 different type of network architecture. So here we are using the same type of network architecture, so gateway cannot be implemented. Router is using when there are more than one route from one system to another system, but the distance between these locations are very less, so router can also not be applied. And the next is the modem. We are using modem when we are sending data in the form of the digital and we need to convert it into analog system, so modem cannot be installed over here. So only one device is left, that is switch. So this is the simple technique through which you can give the answer that we are using switch. Usually there are one more option can be given, that is hub. So you will have to select among the hub and switch. Next, third question is that suggest by drawing the best cable layout for effective network connectivity of the blocks having server with all the other blocks, means how you can connect all these types of blocks for the better or effective network connectivity. So the effective connectivity you can get when you are implementing the star topology in which the server is in the center part and all the other systems are connected with that server. So the star topology is the topology or the connectivity arrangement in which the data can be used in very effective manner, and when any simple part is break down, there are not any effect on any the other parts. The last question: suggest the most suitable wired medium for effectively connected each computer installed in every building out of the following network cables. So which type of cable is the suitable? The coaxial cable is the most suitable cable when we are implementing the LAN. As we can see, the distance is given is in the meters, so we are establishing here LAN. So the coaxial cable is the most effective cable when we are established the LAN. So this is a simple question, and this type of question is asked in every examination